Hello friends, today I will show you how the AMCAT test happens and how to clear it. I am sure if you watch this video completely, you will clear the test easily. All you have to do is watch this and make notes while watching this video start till end. Request you to please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon on this video before you forget to do it. So the first part is instructions. Concentrate on this part because it's the main part of the briefing, which has all tips and tricks to clear your rounds completely. 1. Registration. To register yourself, you have to click on the link provided to you by the recruiter. Once you click on the link, you will be asked to fill in below details. You can't use duplicate details to fill in. It means if you have already given the test, you can't use same details to give the test again. In that case, please reach out to your recruiter. Details are full name, email ID, number, Aadhaar number, date of birth, father name. Once you fill the above details, you will get the OTP on mobile number. In case of delay, please check your email ID. You also receive OTP on your email ID provided. Once you enter the OTP, it takes you to next page to fill the rest form. On the second page, you have to select your education and click next. On the third page, it will ask you put references. Don't get confused, and key anything in the reference name like XXXYYYZZZ and in number like 9999888811 in both the place but different digit. Fourth page, you have to select the language English. Select read, write and speak, then below select agree and disagree and finish the registration. Once the registration is done, the next page will show your registration ID. ID is mandatory. Take a screenshot of that page and send it to your recruiter. Also, you can make a note of that ID for your reference. Without this registration ID, we can't pull out your scores. So it's important to send the screenshot of that page to your recruiter. Once your registration is done, you will receive an email from company to give the test. Before you start the test, you need to make sure that you are equipped with below importance. 1. Strong Wi-Fi or internet connection. 2. A good range of Android phone or system or laptop. 3. Google Chrome. 4. Working earphone. 5. A silent place. 6. Pen, paper and calculator handy. Once you have all above, you can click on the link given in your email and start the test. There are 3 segments. 1. SAVR is related to automated spoken English test that measures fluency, pronunciation, active listening, vocabulary, grammar and spoken English and understanding. 2. Second segment is personality. Self-report inventory that gauges the candidate's personality profile. You have to complete 72 questions in 15 minutes. Choose the answers being professional and think from company perception. 3. Basic analytical ability. Multiple choice tests that measure the candidate's basic numeric ability, attention to detail, data interpretation, verbal reasoning and spatial reasoning skills. To explain you in a better way of understanding, will play the screen recording of the test so you understand the live test scenario. 1. The first page of the test will ask to agree terms and condition. Please do that. 2. Second page will show you the modules of the test. Section A, read and speak. In this section, speak the sentence displayed on the screen. The test will automatically move ahead after you speak each sentence. You may also click on submit answer and move ahead. Read out loud the given sentence. For example, number 1, there was a shocking turn of the events in the murder case. This is the first answer. For example, number 2, please don't ask me about the issues because I am not allowed to speak about them. This is the second answer. Like this, you will get more questions. Do so accordingly. Section B, listen and repeat. In this section, listen and repeat the sentence that you hear. Each sentence will be played one time only. The test will automatically move ahead after you repeat each sentence. You may also click on the submit answer to move ahead. For example, you will listen one sentence and you have to repeat it nicely. Section C, free speech. In this section, you will be provided with a topic. You will have 30 seconds to think about the topic and 3 minutes to speak about it. You may take notes during preparation in order to structure your thoughts. For example, you will be given the topic anything. You have to speak on it. You can take the help of Google by using other device. Also, when you are finding hard to speak on the topic, you can just relate things with each other and speak. Make sure you speak complete 3 minutes continuously. Listen the topic and speak. Section D, listening comprehension. In this section, you will hear a conversation followed by a set of questions. Each conversation will be played one time. You may take notes as you listen. Each question has multiple answer options and you must choose the correct answer. For example, what is the tone of the interactive and between Susan and Harry? Answer is casual. Section A, vocabulary. In this section, choose the correct answer to each multiple choice question. For example, choose the correct answer from anatomy, opposite, synonym, similarity. Section F, grammar. In this section, choose the correct answer to each multiple choice question. You will now hear a sentence that might contain a grammatical error. The sentence will be followed by 4 options, each containing a portion of the sentence. Choose the option that contains the error. For example, it's a most popular sport in the state. Answer, no error. Second example. Some of the people waiting in line is getting impatient. Answer, some of the people. Your first segment is done, which was SVAR. Second segment is personality. Self-report inventory that gauges the candidate's personality profile. You have to complete 72 questions in 15 minutes upcoming. Choose the answers being professional and think from company perception. Attempt every questions, do it fast. For example, I wear a watch every day. Strongly agree. Here you are done with the second segment. 3. Basic analytical ability. In this segment you will need pen, paper and calculator. 25 questions in 10 minutes will not happen if you read questions twice. Request you to read one question only one time to complete this segment. And it's important to complete all the question in this segment. Keep a timer, use 7 minutes to do easy questions, use last 3 minutes to just finish the test and submit. Basic analytical ability. Below are the type of questionnaires you will get. Be ready and then start this segment. Multiple choice test that measure the candidate's basic numeric ability, attention to detail, data interpretation, verbal reasoning and spatial reasoning skills. Thank you. Regards, Mukesh Gupta, MGHR. If someone is looking for job, forward them the below link so that we can help them. Web links to get regular update on jobs. Please join below group. MGHR Jobs web links. Reminder to subscribe and click on the bell. Also like our video.